Priyanshu and you are watching Unboxing Theatre. So you have quite knowledge about the product we unbox today by reading the title. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. If you have not subscribed our channel yet, go ahead and subscribe it for more latest unboxing videos. Here's the Xiaomi's mijia pen, which is imported from China through Gearbest. You will get the best buy link in the description below. Let's open the box and have a first look over the pen. So we get finally our pen, which is bubble wrapped to prevent it from damage. And also we get inside the box some peeling papers. So let us open the box and see the pen. So we can see the picture of the pen and the MI branding over the box, and there at the rear end something are written in Chinese which we can't understand. So after opening the box, we get the pen which is covered in a plastic to prevent it from scratches. The pen is available in two variants, the black and the white. The pen has a matte finish over its surface and it is made up of good quality aluminium. It is 14.3 cm long with 9.5 mm diameter to ensure a comfortable grip, and by sliding the lower part of the pen, it opens or closes. 120-degree spin of the pen automatically opens the rod. The rod is manufactured by the famous Swiss company Premec. To be more precise, it's made up of tungsten carbide and slides effortlessly on the paper with quick drying Japanese ink from Mikuni. The ink is waterproof and prevent any streaks or water stain on the paper. Moreover, the pen is refillable with those Premec pen refills. Xiaomi's mijia pen was launched on 26 July 2016. In this pen, you can't find any smart features like all other Xiaomi's product. It is a simple ball pen. If we say about the pricing of this pen, it is priced at $3 or 200 Indian rupees. If you want a good writing experience, then you can go with this pen, and if you are finding any kind of sign pen, then the Xiaomi's mijia pen is just an affordable pen at low price for you. So if you find this video helpful, like this video, share this to your friends and comment down below how was the video presentation, as it is my first video on my channel. So support me to continue my YouTube career, and thanks for watching this video. I will be back with the next one.